In order for the BCS quick coupler to efficiently and reliably transfer power from the tractor to the attachment, the tolerance between the outside diameter of the tang and the inside dimension of the bushing is only 5/1000th of an inch. Consequently, the tang must be installed in a precise manner, and the surface of the tang must be clean and rust-free. One issue brought up repeatedly by BCS owners is that attachments kept in storage for long periods of time tend to accumulate dirt and develop surface rust at the connection point due to humidity. This results in a quick coupler that is no longer quick and requires removal of the rust. For this task, we recommend emery cloth. To prevent this problem altogether, we have developed a flexible vinyl quick cover for the tang. As the name indicates, it is both quick to slip on and off, and it helps keep your quick coupler system true to its name. Note that while the quick cover eliminates the need to coat the off-season tangs with grease or other lubricant, we still recommend applying a spray lubricant when hooking up your attachment. A spray to the top of the tang and the bottom of the bushing will suffice, with an occasional shot to the base of the bushing's spring-loaded pin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more. To contact us about the content of this video, please call 1-800-543-1040 or email info@bcsamerica.com. Thank you.